Subscribe Mr. Avina's YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates on travel, lifestyle and tutorial videos coming every week. Journey to my hometown Namrup, the place where the journey of my life actually began. And yeah guys, now we are at Guwahati and next station is Namrup, which is my hometown. So yeah, let's go. And the train leaves. You will see a unique smile on my face every time I get down of the train at Namrup. And yeah guys, we are finally here at Namrup, my hometown, and I'm back here after 2 years. Woo! The happiest moment when you get to see your parents after so long and later meet up with friends to visit all the addas. And as you can see, two of our friends are out here and we are going on a road trip. We don't know the location yet, but yeah, soon we'll get to know about it. And there's our drone, Mr. Donacharya. And that's how you do a perfect landing. We were just trying to take some drone footages out here in the Jaipur tea estate, and as you can see they are laughing at me, but yeah, we'll be recording some more footage out other places. So yeah, let's go. There is much more to know and see around Namrup, including the schools and the factories, BVFCL, APL and Thermal. But this short visit I thought to travel around other spots. So let me take you on the journey all around the places I went to. This time I visited my hometown, Namrup. The first spot on our journey was the Guwahati Dalong near Duliajan. This beautiful bridge on top of the river was something amazing I got to see this time. We ended the day at the Guwahati Dalong. The next day we headed for an off-roading trip to Habjan Bagan behind APGCL, or the well-known thermal power station. Today we are going to explore some unseen places out here in Namrup with my gang. Snakes, Nagin dance, lion pose. And later that day, after our off-roading adventure, we headed towards the Ghat Bridge, which is one of the most visited picnic spot in Namrup. While admiring the beauty from the top of the bridge, you will be scared as the trucks pass by you, making the bridge shake. On the last day of my visit to my hometown, I went to the Jaipur rainforest, which was unknown to me so far. Spread over an area of 108 square kilometer, you will get to see the best of nature out here. So gear up for some adventure when you visit the Jaipur rainforest. So it's really remote out here in Namrup, just 5 kilometers away from my town. I am here at the Jaipur rainforest. So yeah, check out the beautiful view. And yeah guys, that was the video about my hometown Namrup in Assam. If you are still watching and if you are from Namrup, I would love to know you guys. Just comment down below when you were in Namrup or you are still there, and how was the video and the places which I visited. And yeah guys, if you like the video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends from Namrup and everywhere, WhatsApp groups,
whoever would love to see this video if you liked it. And yeah, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, so you'll get to see more such videos, as the video about my journey from Namrup to Majuli comes next week on Friday. But yeah, I submit 2 videos every week. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.